Alright, so couldn't find any videos for installing the InnoFader Plus on the Mixars Primo, so that's what we're gonna do here. Okay, get the crossfader. Alright, so that's that. Let's try doing the screws first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, alright, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. That did it. So put a tool on both sides, actually. It's way easier. We'll do it over here. There it goes. Once you pop it off just a little bit, it comes off the rest of the way. Alright, so 38 screws, the 2 knobs. Now something is holding this in place. Duh, there's 2 screws right here. Here and here. Alright, so make that 40 screws total. And 40. Great. That comes off nice and easily. So it's 40 screws. I'm just going to unplug this right here. Can you see that? Right there. That's where the InnoFader will connect. Come on. Okay, so that's out. And for the Primo, it's the large 3-pin. I already connected the wire there, and according to the instructions, it says turn on the power and see which LED comes on. If the red light comes up, flip over the 3 or 4 pin connector. The LED should light up green, so let's try that out. Green. There it is. So we're good on that. Oh no, I just knocked down some screws. All right, on, off for scratching, B, C, B. So I'm gonna start in the center for B, go to the right for C, and then come back to the center for B. So we'll try that. B, C, B, let go. Okay. Let's see how that sounds. Flip it around. Okay, not sure if it changed it, but it's super sharp. So I think we're good to go. Let's just pop the, let's see. There's these 3 plates it comes with. It looks like this is the one that I need to use for the Primo. So let's do this again. Yeah, that one looks like it aligns. So once again with these short Phillips screws. Okay, I aligned it with my thumb. Kind of twist it in there. All right, that's in. And so let's try it this way. Yeah, that goes right in. So it means that the InnoFader, I don't know, it seems like it seems like the InnoFader sits the best when A+, where the InnoFader logo is facing up away from me, and in that case I think I need to switch the polarity of it. Let me just see. So I have crossfader in the middle. Yeah, so right now it's set reverse, so I need to switch the polarity on it. I need to go from right to left. CBA. Holding the button here, let go. All right, so we're good. We're in business. Now it's reversed. All right, we'll turn it off again. Standing on this, the DJ side. So I will pop that in. Okay, it seemed kind of easier to, you know what? Maybe that was the only thing I needed to do. I kind of lifted the plate as I was putting the screws in, and that seemed to help rather than having the plate flat. Let me loosen the other one. Let me kind of get it going first. It feels like it's not catching it completely. All right, there it goes. All right, so that one is all the way down. All right, so I'm gonna go to the okay, so that's all good now. So like I mentioned, you have the plate, and now you got to pop back these 40 screws. So let's go through this. The InnoFader is a little fatter on the bottom, and the Mixars one is a little skinnier. I'm gonna try the InnoFader one. I think I might like using the one that it came, the Mixars one, but let me see. Little scratching there, but that could be because the panel's not on. Some rubbing in there. Oh, these little things. Can't this stuff just work? All right, let me take the screw out for a second. If I figure out what the rubbing sound is. Is it just the plate? Okay, good. It's just the plate. So I think once you get the plate in, you know, I'll try to, let me put in, let's try to put in the screws right around the crossfader first. 1, 2, 3, let's see. Put this 4. Oops. Three. 4. There's a little rubbing because of the rubbing against the edge there. Let me see if I could just push this a little bit. All right, it's quiet now. So let's go with the InnoFader cap. All right. Let's see. Let's turn it on real quick. Wait for it to lower that. Let's see. Yep. Okay, so it sounds like it's very sharp, and I think we're good to go, so. Yeah, it's real sharp. Let's see, it's like right, hardly moving. So, all set. Just gotta screw in pop out all the screws again. All right, so that's all set. All I'm gonna do is put back the screws. So I put in 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's go around the rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Starting here, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Right here, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Okay, so you got 40 screws around the whole unit. Now, once again, very good. Okay, so good to go. All right, that's it.